What's going on, guys? Three Wheels in a Block. I'm here with the 1970 Chevelle Malibu two-door hardtop. Trying to get these doors on. But before I do that, I gotta get this front clip off. Let me show you how it's done. Somebody's been here before. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Alright, just a minor workout. Definitely not the best way to do it. It is a way to do it. Got some nice spray foam down there. Got some nice spray foam over there. Like I said, when I looked at the paint job, it looked like a very quick, down and dirty job. You can tell by the orange peel and by the Yeah. So I got the front clip off. Looks like a little bit of a kink right there in the subframe. Not sure what that's from. A little strange there. Maybe some rust holes down there. Let's go have a look on the other side. Looks like a hole, but that's just dirt, mud, or something there. This side looks good. So yeah, I'm not too sure what happened there. It's kind of weird. Car may have possibly been hit in the front and straightened out at the frame shop many moons ago. Some rust down there, so we may be looking at a subframe replacement in the future. We'll just have to keep an eye out for one of those. But aside from that, of course I say subframe replacement. This car's body on frame. Wow. Forgot about that. Yeah. Anyway. So I'm going to do a little fixing on that piece of the frame there. Fortunately, it's before all your structural stuff, so that's good. But the rest of the frame looks good. It's nice and solid. No rust or anything anywhere. Surprisingly, the floors look really good. I think just because they've not been fooled with. This firewall looks pretty decent there. That looks good. Little hole in the AC box. Not surprisingly. Had to replace all that stuff anyway. That's no big deal. Your box there. Alright, so inside the front fenders. Look at that. Spray foam. More spray foam, so we'll definitely be replacing the lower portion of those fenders at some point in time. And a pair of inner fender liners, or inner fenders. Alright, so got that out of the way. That way I can get clear access to these bolts, because I'm going to put those doors right there on this thing. I've hit these bolts with some PB Blast, so I go ahead and get those loose. Fortunately, that stuff was working well, because these bolts are coming straight loose very easily, which is a great thing. Putting some gloves on because that PV Blast stuff, man, it can make your hands smell for weeks. Alright, that gets the doors back on. think I'm gonna go ahead and shut the garage door. Get some heat in here. We'll do some adjustment on the doors. Make sure they open and close like they should. That was a little stiff. I'm sure the other one is. We'll get this put back on. That wraps up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You want to see more content on the 70 Chevelle Malibu? Just drop me a comment. Smash that like button. My name is Erwin, Three Wheels on a Block. We'll see you next time. Oh yeah, and I did clean the car up. You can see that video description right above the screen.